Hi guys, it's Erin from Mount Olympus Vapors, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your Clearomizer. This is an example of one of the Clearomizers that we sell on our site. It is the Vision eGo V2 Clearomizer. You may have seen similar ones on other merchant sites that are sold as Vision eGos, CE4s, CE4 Pluses, Stardusts. They can all be cleaned. They're very similar and they can all be cleaned this way. Now you can either do this at your kitchen sink or you can gather some supplies to do it at your desk or anywhere else you want to. Right now I'm doing it at my desk, so I have gathered a towel, a syringe filled with water, and a blunt tip needle at the end, and just a little cup to put my old water in. Okay, now the first thing you're going to do is take the mouthpiece off of your Clearomizer. So let's see. Now when you take the mouthpiece off, there is a little translucent O-ring right here. Let me show you. Be careful not to knock that off when you're washing it, because it actually seals your e-liquid into the Clearomizer chamber. And really you can just use a little bit of water to rinse this off, dry it with a towel, and you're done. Now your Clearomizer, you're going to want to dump out any e-liquid that you have left. Okay, and then when it's empty, take your syringe or put it under the faucet of your kitchen sink and squirt some water in. Fill it up about halfway or 3/4 of the way. Put your finger over the end to seal, and then just shake it. I usually do about 15 seconds. Dump the water out. Now you can repeat that 3, 4, 5 times until the inside of your Clearomizer looks clear, like there's no residue left, and your wicks look clean, like there's no brown, gooey e-liquid crusted up in them. So take your Clearomizer, dry it off with your towel, and pay special attention to the inside that connects to the battery. You don't want to get any water on your battery. Okay. The next step to cleaning your Clearomizer is called dry burning. Before we do that, I just want to explain a few things in case you didn't know. The cylinder on the inside of your Clearomizer is actually the air vent where the air passes through. Up here at the top where you can see the little silicone cap is actually your atomizer, and that's the element that gets hot and heats your e-liquid into vapor. The point of dry burning is to burn all of the residue and leftover e-liquid that's inside clinging to your atomizer, which can actually make your Clearomizer have like a burnt taste, or it can even restrict airflow through the vent. So if you're not getting a very good hit, or if your hit tastes a lot like burnt plastic, then it probably needs to be cleaned. Okay. So now we are going to take our battery. I just have a regular 650 eGo battery here, and I actually have a pass-through. I have it hooked up. You can use any battery for your Clearomizer. The pass-through is nice because this can take a bit of battery juice when you're cleaning a Clearomizer, when you're dry burning. So use a freshly charged or recently charged battery. Now what we're going to do is push the button and heat the Clearomizer up to get all of the stuff burnt out of it. Now what we're going to watch for when we're looking is we're going to look down this silver tube in the center, and we're going to see smoke come out, and we're also going to see the atomizer turn red. You want to hold your battery for about 5 seconds, hold down your button on your battery for about 5 seconds, then release for a second or two. Most batteries will have a 5-second shut off, but some don't. So if it doesn't shut off, then let go after 5 seconds. Okay, round 2. Okay, and then we saw some smoke that time. Okay, you can see the smoke coming out. Okay. Okay, now you can actually see the atomizer getting red. That means that it's as hot as it's going to get and that you've burnt off everything. So, one more check. Yeah, there's nothing left. And actually it hasn't been that long since I've cleaned this Clearomizer. So, if it's been a while since you've cleaned yours, it'll probably take longer. Now we're just going to tap it, get all the water out, blow the smoke out, and you have a perfectly clean, ready to use Clearomizer. You can refill it. Okay, you can refill it, or you can just put it up and save it for next time. I did want to mention one thing. Before I made this video, I was looking on YouTube to see if there were better examples, and I saw a lot of people showing you how to actually dismantle this whole device and clean it. By taking this plastic part off of the base. I do not recommend you do that, especially for new users, because there's a good chance you're going to destroy your device. The plastic is very easy to crack, and you can also easily damage the atomizer that's at the end, especially if you mess with the wick. Like if you pull on it just a little bit, it can destroy your atomizer. So if you're really wanting to learn how to do that, I would suggest you wait until you have a Clearomizer that you're ready to throw away anyway. Like if the wick's burnt all the way out of it, or it's just not functioning anymore. That way if you do tear it up, you won't be destroying equipment you paid good money for. Okay, so until next time, this is Erin from Mount Olympus Vapors. This Clearomizer is the Vision eGo V2 that we sell on our website. And if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me using our Contact Us page on the website. Thank you so much. Bye.